From Alissa Beth Photography. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use a clipping mask. This tutorial is being used from my new birthday template, which can be used for both inside the photo box composites or actually was really designed for general photography, mostly for cake smashes, first birthdays, fifth birthdays, and whatnot. So here we go. The first thing you do is you'll see that I have already provided clipping masks. Each one of these black squares or shapes on the right side in the layers panel is a clipping mask. So if you clicked it off, it would disappear. If you click it on, it's there. What you want to do is you want to clip a picture to this mask. So I want to fill this square. I'm going to click on Place Image here in the file, the layer right above it. I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to choose just a general. I'm going to put my daughter in there. There we go. I'm going to I'm picking a photo that I want to put into that box, and I'm going to press Place, and you'll see that it automatically clipped it right into this center square. However, it's a little bit large, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press down the Shift button. I'm holding the Shift button as I take the end and I make it smaller. Holding the Shift button will allow you to make it smaller, but keep the aspect ratio of the photo. So I'm going to now, again, hold the Shift button, make it a little bit bigger, move it just a little bit more, and press Return or click the check mark, and now I've placed her into this square. Another way that you can also use a clipping mask is, let's say this particular clip unclips itself by accident. Okay, I'm going to release the clipping mask just to show you. Look what happens. Very simple. You can even just import pictures into your template, place them in the layer above where you want them to be, and then all you need to do is take the picture that you want. Because this one, I released the clipping mask, I want to clip it again. I'm going to right click on the image above the mask and press Create Clipping Mask, and voila, it's back in. And that's how you create a clipping mask. In a lot of my templates, I create the openings for you where I give you that spot to place your pictures. But things happen. You may delete that layer by accident. You might release the clipping mask, and I wanted to make sure that you understood really how a clipping mask works. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Thanks, guys.